No?
Oh.
16 minutes. So. These are Yuki's puppies. They're about 2 weeks old, just opened up their eyes a few days ago. Pretty big, actually. They're restless right now. Oh, one's cold. One's cold. Oh, they're cold. I'm going to turn this off.